Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add custom font in Canva. So first thing first, get logged into your Canva application and then simply start a project. In my case, I have taken this Facebook landscape project. Now, if you would like to import something, you can go ahead, select design. In my case, I'm going to go for this one. Now you should know that everything here is editable. If you would like to change the font of this image here, select this popping or any font that is applicable, and then simply go ahead, select anything that you would like. And as you can see that now the font has been changed. Let's go ahead and change the font of the heading. The process is same. Go ahead, select anything that you would like. I'm going to go for Comic Sans. And now you can see that this is how it's done. If you would like to make all the fonts Comic Sans, you may go ahead, select change all. And just like so guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you all for watching. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.